Truth or myth? Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Myth. Despite what many people believe, scientific studies have found no convincing evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. The popping sound comes from tiny gas bubbles forming and collapsing inside the fluid that lubricates your joints. While cracking your knuckles may temporarily reduce grip strength or annoy the people around you, it has not been shown to damage healthy joints or increase the risk of arthritis. So the famous warning isn't supported by science. Did you think this was true or a myth? Tell us in the comments.